Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Kahit na tag-ulan na, dahil ang onset na po ng rainy season, out na ho ang summer season. Pero hindi pa rin po tayo magpapaawat sa mga underwater activity.
Dahil wala naman palang tag-ulan sa ilalim ng dagat.
Pero correct.
Araw lang.
Araw lang. Pero hindi mo naman maramdaman yung pumapatak ang ulan. Nandun ka sa ilalim ng tubig.
Di sumisig ka.
May nagsasabi nga, oy, huwag kayo maligaw sa dagat, baka mabasa kayo.
Umuulan. Mali rin yun.
Okay lang yun, pwede pa rin maligo. Kung saan pwede puntahan, panoorin po ninyo ito. Summer is almost over. At kung hindi kayo maka-get over sa underwater adventure ninyo, worry not, because the Philippines has a lot to offer when it comes to exploring a different world under the sea. Sikat ang Pilipinas dahil sa world-class summer destinations. Sa katunayan, binansagan ito ng mga turista bilang The Islands dahil sa nagagandahang beaches at prime scenic spots. And if you want a non-stop underwater fun, gear up and take a glimpse of the country's rich marine life through scuba diving.
The good thing about diving in the Philippines is we can do it all year round. Other countries kasi, they can only do it during the summer season and then wala na. But in the Philippines, since we have tropical waters, kung bumabagyo man sa isang bahagi ng ating bansa, we could dive somewhere else.
Pero hindi basta-basta ang accreditation sa isang potential diving site. Closely monitored ito ng isang ahensya sa ilalim ng Department of Tourism, ang Philippine Commission on Sports Scuba Diving o PCSSD. Nabuo ang PCSSD noong 1978 sa bisa ng isang letter of instruction ni dating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos.
PCSSD, or the Philippine Commission on Sports Scuba Diving, is basically an attached agency of the Department of Tourism. Ang kanyang responsibility is to make sure that the Philippines becomes a premier dive destination of Asia. Second, to establish basic safety rules and also to come up with new dive sites that we can promote to the rest of the world. We regulate our divers and our dive resorts. We make sure that everything is accredited.
Dahil dito, napapanatiling ligtas sa mga diver at masisigurong dekalidad ang serbisyo ng dive resorts.
If you are an accredited PCSSD dive resort, we go to your dive resort every year. We get to test all of your tanks for free. And at the same time, if you are an accredited PCSSD member, kapag may nangyaring accident, you get access to our hyperbaric chambers. Itong mga hyperbaric chambers, very important ito sa mga divers, especially pag nagkaroon ng a little bit of unfortunate incident below water. Doon natin sila dinadala para bumalik yung sa tamang ayos ng kanilang katawan. All of our dive destinations, meron tayong hyperbaric chamber. And for the next few years, isa yan sa mga gusto natin gawin sa DOT, damihan pa ang mga hyperbaric chambers because we are more than 7,000 islands. And in every island, there is always a dive site.
Safety is the key. Kaya kung may kakulangan sa diving facilities, nariyan ang PCSSD para umalalay.
If you are gonna come up with your own dive resort, you can, get in touch with us, and we will definitely go to your dive resort. We will check all of your equipment. We will also find out kung ano yung mga kulang mo. Kasi, when we invite divers to come to the Philippines, we want them to come up with not just the most amazing experience, but also the safest experience.
Maging ang diving instructors, sinisigurong lisensyado rin.
The one who supplies them the licenses are the different dive groups like PADI. Yan, sila ang nagsusupply ng license niyan. Pero pag nalaman namin na si PADI ay nagbigay ng isang lisensya sa isang diver na hindi pumasa sa standards, that's the time we come in. Binabawi natin yung license, we warn everybody in that area na, you know, this diver or this dive resort, marami silang ginawang pagkakamali. Kung wala yung PCSSD, anybody can just become dive masters, anybody can just become divers. Sa lahat ng mga gustong sumubok mag-dive, please try to look for accredited PCSSD dive resorts kasi yan talaga kapag may tatakpo yan ng PCSSD, makakasiguro po kayo na safe po yung kanilang mga gagamiting equipment na yung kanilang mga rental, siguradong kalidad yan. And at the same time, if you are gonna look for a dive master, always demand for a license.
Experience summer fun all year round. Dahil pagkatapos ng air and all-terrain activities, you can always suit up and experience one-of-a-kind diving in the Philippines.